Hi, welcome to the tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to take video and put it inside the text that we made. Now there's actually two ways of doing this. There's the easy way and then there's the slightly harder way, and both have their advantages and disadvantages. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is come down to our timeline and using the left mouse button, select those two clips like that. Then holding the Alt key with the left mouse button, just drag out like this, and it'll actually make a copy of those clips right there. We now need to change the order of the video. So what we're going to do is drag that video out like that, bring this down like that, bring the video up and put it on top of it like that, so we get this. Now, clicking on the text button, we need to come up to the title in the inspector, just here on the right, click on title, and we need to change that color to white. And the reason we're doing that is because we're using a technique called alpha masking. And in alpha masking, the whiter something is, the more of it shows through. The darker something is, the less of it shows through. So I've changed that to white. Now, if I click on the video layer and then go up to the inspector on the right and then scroll down, you'll see it says composite. We need to change that from normal to darken. And there we are. Our video is now showing through our text. Now we can actually animate that. And the way we do that is if we click on the text below, what we'll do is we've clicked on the text, we'll come up to the settings in the inspector, scroll up. We're going to increase the size a little bit to about there. And we're going to hit a keyframe here on the zoom and on the position. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the beginning of the video, click on make sure you've clicked on the title, and we're going to zoom in. So we're actually going to zoom through the text. Now I've done this before, so I know that the zoom size is in fact 65. So let's do that. Now when I hit spacebar to play, very cool, hey? Now, if we don't want it to slam in, or if we want it a bit quicker, we can actually change the keyframes on that. The way we do that is click on the text again, go up to our keyframes up here on the left-hand side, click on that. It's already gone straight into the right menu for us, but if it comes into here, what you need to do is go across to this one here where it says keyframe curves, click on that and it'll bring you into here. And you can select this keyframe like that, and then go up and hit easy in, easy out, choose which one you want. For this case, I think I want easy in, so we'll do that. And then I can drag this like that to make it a bit smoother when it comes in. So let's play that again. Very cool. And to speed it up, we'll click on the text again. We'll click on this keyframe curves. Sorry, the one next to it to bring us to there. And if we want to speed that up, what we can do is select those keyframes and just bring it across like that. And then what you'll notice is when I hit play again, it speeds up the whole animation. So this method of adding text inside a video is really good, but it does have its limitations, and its main one being is that I can't then take this text and put it over other video. Let me show you what I mean. So if I drag in this text here and bring it down like that, and then take this video and put it over like that, and just edit that down. As you can see, it looks absolutely horrid. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add multiple videos together inside of text using DaVinci Fusion. Now, don't stress; it's not as bad as you think. It looks horrid, but it's actually quite easy, and I'll walk you through it. So, see you in that one.